they're literally going to encrypt the data as it's being processed. So as the data is going through your CPU and it's crunching numbers or whatever, doing word processing, it's literally encrypted as it's doing all of that. And one term you want to hold on to is called homomorphic encryption. It's where the compute on encrypted data without decrypting and while you're doing all the processing. And this one I remember seeing on the test. This right here is something it's not something that you talk about, but this, if you hear this, means you're encrypting the data while it's in use. And it's normally used in highly regulated environments. Financial sector will be familiar with these terms. The healthcare industry might be, and of course, the military and intelligence, they might be. Anywhere where there's highly regulated places where they're protecting very sensitive information, this might be something in use. But what you want to understand from this, if nothing else, is that there's a difference between in transit, that's your HTTPS, at rest, data at rest, encrypted on your hard drive in storage, AES 256, or there's other types of encryption methods as well. And then, of course, data in use, homomorphic encryption. That's